Hi, I'm Ranger Rick, and you're watching Nature Freaks or Freaks of Nature. Today you'll be getting a brand new experience like nothing you've ever experienced ever before in your life. The outdoors. As you can see, I am a master of the woods. Walk with me. As you can see, these berries. We have no idea what these might be, so never pick them unless you're a trained professional. Wait, did you film that? Come walk with me. Today we will be learning about, as I told you, plants and animals. Remember to grab your binocs, as I like to call them, and we're gonna look for the birds. Did you see that? That was a bald eagle, that green thing up in the tree. That was bald eagle. They're really rare. They're also the official bird of Tanzania. I bet you didn't know that.
Action.
Now this here is not spray paint, which most people seem to think. It's actually a rare type of fungus that I discovered by myself. One second, this is a pine tree. As you can see from its leaves, it doesn't have leaves, these are needles. For those of you who are living under a rock, the rock is most probably granite, but also, I'm going to tell you a bit about myself since you don't know me for some reason. I have won numerous awards all across this town, including 2013's Pinewood Derby Trendiest Paint Color. Don't film this, don't film this.
Action.
Sadly, this episode is coming towards the end. I hope you've enjoyed this journey into the great outdoors, and please join me next week to find out more. Make sure to stay tuned for the next episode.
Action.
If you enjoyed learning about the forest, I think you would really enjoy this clip.